Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your Earbuds CREATIVE Zen Air Plus on your iPhone. You have to start by open App Store, and now we need to go to the search at the right bottom. Then click at the search line at the top, or if you have iOS 26 at the bottom, and write Creative. Now search, and you should install the application what's called Creative. Now open it. If you need notification, click allow. If you don't need it, click do not allow. Right here you need to click allow to add these earbuds. Now you can sign in into your account or create a new account, but I'm going to just skip it. And that's it. In the next video I will show you how to add these earbuds to the application, so if you don't know how, you can check that video. And thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!